Alright, so we're back at my my wife's town in Mexico, and we're gonna do some fishing. We're gonna be going after what they call mojara, which are actually cichlids. They're African, or not African, Mayan cichlids. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Got some cows over here. There's also catfish in here and what they call carpa, which are, it's like a type of carp, I guess, but it looks like a big sunfish. Just a lot more colors. But yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. So the rod I'm using is it's pretty beat up. You can see the tips broke off. Some of these things are messed up. I bought it about probably, I don't know, 6 years ago or something. So it's pretty beat up, but it works. They usually just use like shrimp, little pieces of shrimp or something like that to fish with, but I brought some spinners and they seem to be killing it. We were here not the same spot, but I was here yesterday on the river, and I caught a bunch with this exact spinner, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. See if we can get us some fish. Ooh, I see some right here. Little V. Little V. Ay, muchos. Mira, mira, mira. Look at them. Some big ones right here. Aquí hay. So my cousin found a bucket. Ah, es como trampa.
Bagre.
Es que un trampa.
Ajá.
Sí.
Son los que agarran, ¿no? Sí, que son babosos.
Sí. is a mojada cichlid. Está chido. But I caught 2. My father-in-law caught 1, and then we got some catfish that we found in a bucket. It's kind of weird. Found them in like a bucket that they were trapped in. So we grabbed those. We're gonna move up to another spot up there and see if we can get some more. Looks great here. Sí, se ve bien hondo. That's it. Lo vi grandes aquí, pero no pica. Mira, ¿qué tipo de pescar es eso? ¿Vi? Es como más largo. Tiene una línea así. ¿Sí?
Aquí. Ahí todo derecho, mira. Ahí está más.
Culebra.
¿Es lo da miedo, eh?
Sí. Hopefully there were no snakes. Ah, la mecha. Wow. That's cool. Eso está chido. Mira las
Parecen pirañas, ¿no?
sí.
¿Verdad?
Mhm. ¿Y hay de aquí también el pescado? ¿Lo vi? Sí. Pero allá está donde es hondo, no pica. Pero donde es lama así, está dentro de la lama y se fue, ¡pum! Pero no donde es muy hondo, no, nada. Solamente así, donde es seco. Alright, I'm about to call it a day, but I'm gonna try up here by this running water a little bit right below it. Supposedly there's trout in here, they call it trucha. So I don't know what kind of trout that means. I mean, I think it can't be like a rainbow trout or something because the water is really warm. Unless they got like used to it and it's normal now or something. I don't know. I don't even know if that's possible for trout. A little dinky one. Oh, there we go. It'd be cool to catch one of those trout.